Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ani Syahida. In this video, I am going to deliver the story of Indonesian hero R.A. Kartini. Raden Ajeng Kartini, she is also commonly known as R.A. Kartini. She is known as one of the national heroes determined to fight for the emancipation of women. Once upon a time, in the city of Jepara, there was born a beautiful baby from a Japanese royal family. Her name is Kartini, who has a long name, Raden Ajeng Kartini. She is the daughter of a duke who later became a regent of Jepara, Raden Mas Adipati Aryo Sosroningrat. The mother of Kartini is Ngasirah, the first wife of Sosroningrat, who worked as a teacher in a school at Teluk Awur, Jepara. Little Kartini grew into a cheerful girl. She plays with others like she grew up in a royal family. When she was 12 years old, she was prohibited from continuing her studies in Europe's Leger School, or ELS, where she also learned Dutch. The prohibition to pursue the ideals of her schooling comes from her closest person, her father, because at the time she was a girl who was 12 years old and she must undergo seclusion or dipinit. Kartini said, "May I apologize to my father for disturbing you? I want to ask something for you." And then Kartini's father said, "It's okay, my dear. What do you want to ask?" Kartini said, "Sorry, my father. Would you tell me why you won't let me go to school?" "My dear, you are now 12 years old and it's about time you do seclusion. This is already customary. You must follow the rule," Father Kartini said. Kartini said, "I'm sorry, father, but I still want to go to school. I will have missed them. And my teacher, I still want to learn, and I still want to play with my sister, Rokmini and Kardina." And then Kartini's father said, "You have to follow the rule. Do you dare to oppose our custom?" Because there was no power on her against the wishes of his father, young Kartini resorted to seclusion. However, young Kartini still wanted to seek knowledge, explore her curiosity, and still want to be useful for many people. During the seclusion, she wrote letters to her Dutch friends to gain the knowledge of Europe concerning rights as human beings, especially women. Kartini says, "I have to fix my life, even though I do not currently have the right to argue. At least, other women do not suffer like me. Yes, and I should start it with writing." And then Kartini said, "It seems to be interesting when I started to write a letter to my friend Rosa Abendanon to share her knowledge with me." Since that time, the relationship between Rosa and Kartini worked continuously. Rosa Abendanon also often sent books and newspapers from Europe to young Kartini, so her thinking became more advanced. The European newspapers said that women have the same position to achieve their rights, while in Indonesia, women are at a very low social stratum. Kartini said, "Rosa, you are such a best friend. Well, it seems not quite enough if I just learn from Rosa. I had to share this with other women. They should have this." After doing the seclusion, she married a regent of Rembang named Duke Aryo Singgih Jojo Adiningrat over the choice of her parents. At the time, Kartini was the second wife of the regent of Rembang. However, her husband strongly supported her ideals and even allowed Kartini to build a women's school. During her marriage, Kartini was blessed with one son named So Salit Jojo Diningrat. Kartini passed away at 25 years old, her last 4 days after giving birth. Kartini's struggle did not stop even after his death. The struggle continued by his friend Rosa Abendanon, who posted both letters into a book. The book was entitled Der Duisternis tot Licht, which means "From the Darkness into the Light." In 1964, President Insinyur Soekarno declared Kartini birth date on 21 April as Kartini's Day, an Indonesian national day. Afterwards, Kartini recognized not only a hero determined to fight emancipation of women, but also a nationalist figure with new ideals who struggle for independence. As a woman, Kartini is also known as a famous woman hero and important for Indonesia. Let us be the next Kartini. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.